Hi everyone! So this video is sponsored by Temu, and I used to collaborate with them where they would just send me an email and then they would send me items, and you guys saw those videos, but I do love them so much that I have actually more videos that I paid for out of pocket than they have sponsored, because that's how much I love shopping with them. But I did recently sign up for their influencer program. So if you have social media and you're interested, go sign up and check them out. I think it's worth it. So you don't have to only have YouTube. You can have a following on Instagram and also on TikTok, and that will qualify you to be a part of their Temu influencer program. So I'll leave a link down below with my affiliate link for you guys to go sign up. It's like my referral link. I would super appreciate it if you do. I also have a coupon code that is fav45575. And that's a coupon code for new users to save some money. I think it gives you like a coupon package. So if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, if you have a social media following, go sign up and get you some free items. So this was sent to me through that influencer program, and I'm going to jump on in and show you guys what I got. So I picked this snap kit right here. And as you can see, it does also come in pink. I chose the blue, of course. So pink girlies, you can get yourself a pink one. But I chose it because it has shapes in here. So these are all circles. Then over here you have some metal findings. You have some hearts. And then over here you have some stars. So that was really cool, and it does give you the attachments for the plastic, the attachments for the metal. Here is your like poker, so you could poke your holes to make it all work and line up. Here is your screwdriver that you are going to need for your little mechanism right here if you want to swap these out. So it's a kit that has literally everything you need to get started. You just have to use your paper, use your fabric. And the instructions are super helpful. I thought they were really easy to follow, but I will be doing a video on how to use this specific toolkit right here. And this one was $21.48. I think that's super well worth it for getting all the little parts, all the little snaps. I love the variety of colors of all the snaps. I do wish that there was more hearts and stars in this kit, but I still think it was well worth it, and for the price, and for getting metal findings as well, because I don't have any of the metal findings. I do have a couple plastic ones in my stash. Now moving on to beadable pins. I love beadable pins. This was 10 pieces for $11.98, but I have never seen beadable pins like these right here. These are new to me, but look. It has the multicolored function on them. I have seen the regular beadable pins, but none where I can pick which color I want to use. I think that is so cool. I'm so happy that I saw these. I'm happy that I grabbed them. This will definitely be a repurchase in the future because these are amazing. 12 bucks for 10 of those, I think, is a super good deal. But I did get these. They have multiple kits that have everything you need to get started to do your beadable pin. So that way you're like, what size beads do I need? You don't have to worry about it. It's right here in this kit. So here are your pins. We have black, this kind of like metallic pink, like a dusty rose, a silver, and a couple of gold. We have the packaging, you guys. How sweet is that? You don't have to guess what size baggie you need. It comes right here in the kit. It also has the rhinestone spacers for in between your beads. It has the flower beads, so that way you have your like focal point right there. I'm going to be putting these in the middle. And then over here you have your other beads. All of these are in silicone. They're nice and rubbery and soft. So I love it. It's literally everything you need to put your pins together and ship them out in Happy Mail, in swaps, to give to friends, to family. I love this kit so much. I think it's well worth it. This was, it has 122 pieces total for $13.19. I love this. You could go find any theme that you want. I just specifically picked the flower theme, but there was like holiday themed ones, all kinds of them. So just put in beadable pins in the search bar and you could go ahead and find them. If you need any help ever find anything, let me know. I love cruising around and seeing what they have. So I'm more than happy to help you out with that as well. These were 6 pieces for $4.98. And these are beadable key rings, which I love. These are so fun. And you can definitely use the pieces from this kit as well. Those beads and rhinestone spacers should be able to fit on here as well. So you're just going to go ahead and unscrew it. And then you will be able to put your beads on there. And then you just put this bottom piece back on. And the thing that I like about this, if you like, there is a little chain right here that you could go ahead and add a few more beads to, so you can have like a little dangle. I think that would be really, really cute as well, to go ahead and add a little extra something to them. So super cute. Love that. These I did get for my beadable pins and for my pokey tools. So these were 10 pieces for $5.51. You can also put beads in here. If you wanted to send like beads in a swap, you could definitely stick them in here as well. So these fold up to clear boxes. And you can go ahead and stick your pokey tool in here, your beadable pins, beads, sequins. You know, you could just go ahead and load this on up. So I know it's kind of hard to see because it is a see-through, but it is this little box right here that will definitely be able to fit. See, that will fit nicely in there. So happy that I found those little boxes. I think they're really cute. Of course, I had to get more beads. You guys know me. You know I love, love, love my beads so much. So these again are silicone beads. Look, it comes with everything you need. You have your little like showstopper bee right here. You have some little spots. You have your little bee stripes over here. You have solid white, black, that's kind of like mustard color, and solid yellow over here. Aren't these great? So this is 100 pieces for $10.99. I cannot wait to start making these with you guys. I will definitely be doing that on camera and showing you how all these little kits work. So again, more beads. I can't help myself, you guys. I love playing with beads so much. But this one I got because look, it has really awesome flowers. And I loved that they weren't circles. You can get a different shape. I love that. It does come with the little beads, but these are actually a smaller size. You see? So I want to say that these are probably like a 10 mm, and these are probably like maybe a 16. So I love that I was able to get different sizes and different shapes. And then I had these pretty little flowers that are going to be perfect for springtime crafting. So how could I not get that pack, right? This one was 105 pieces for $10.50. So love, love that. So no more beads. Next up I have are these really pretty spring flowers, 100 pieces for $3.29. And these have a rhinestone center. They're gorgeous. These are going to be beautiful for your spring crafting. Just look at how pretty that little applique is. I think that is really cute, really pretty. Love those. And 100 pieces, I will be set for all my spring crafting. So love that one. To go with my spring crafting, I got these little ladybugs. These were 30 pieces for 97 cents. And these have like a clear to them. Let's see if you can see. So it's like, I think right there you can see it. So it's like clear. So it's like a little resin on top. And then it's just the bottom that's printed. But it gives us this really pretty like 3D effect. I thought these were gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope they have some B ones. I definitely want to go back and look. I know they did have a multicolored pack of the ladybugs, and then they had the solid red ones. I went for the solid red ones, so there's that one. Then I did get a springtime flag banner. So we have our flag right here. It has our inside layering piece, and then it has egg hunt, spring, bunny, and Easter. Super, super cute. That was $3.09. You guys know me. I love my little Nomi homies. So I got this guy, and his hat is actually a shaker, which I thought was so cute. And then I want to take one of these flowers and stick it in his hand because he is holding a heart. But Valentine's Day being over, I figured I could just pop one of these flowers right there. It looks like it will be large enough to cover up the heart, and we can go ahead and use this for springtime. So here's his face, his hands, his feetsies, his nose. Here's the outline you're going to need. Here's your shaker element, and then here is your face little element. So, or his beard element. So, love that. Love me, my Nomi homies. Then next up, this one was a lot larger than what I thought it was, so I'm so happy about that. This was $2.49, which I think is an amazing deal, being that you get a stamp set and the die set. So here is our butterfly, really big. See, it goes from the edge of my hand all the way up here. Really, really large and in charge. Here's the banner, and then look, here is your stamp piece for that banner. So you're going to stamp this out, and then you're going to die cut it with this piece right here. And then these are your little sentiments that you can stamp inside of that banner. And then you can put this across your butterfly for a little layering piece. I think that is so cool. I specifically chose this one because I want to see if I can turn the inside of the wings into a shaker piece. So that's what I'm going to be trying. And then I'll probably add some of these flowers down the middle right here. But it does come with butterflies, and it does come with these little flowers that you can also die cut and use. So I love this one. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it'll work out the way that I imagine in my mind. And next up, we have a gumball machine. So here's our base, here's our gumball, and then it has stuff for Easter. So the lid part is going to be these bunny ears. There's some crosses, some carrots, some little eggs. Super cute. And then it comes with accessories that you can buy extra. So this piece was $2.89. And then this is like the Christmas theme one. So this one's a little bit more oval, kind of like, this one's actually more like an egg shape than the previous one. But it has antlers, the little deer ears, and then it has tiny little reindeer in there. So this one is super cute. So you're going to use the base of the gumball and then use this piece right here to make your little gumball. And then there's also this one with Cupid. So how cute is that you get multiple holidays? I hope that there is going to be a Halloween one. I love Halloween, so I would have loved if they had it already so I could have just got it all in one pass. But this one has our little heart-shaped top, and then here's our little Cupid with his little arrows, so I think that's adorable. This one was $2.94, and the reindeer was $2.67. So these three dies for like, what, under $10? That's a great deal that you get 3 holidays of dies out of that. I think that's really, really good. So that's our little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to these products. I'll link that coupon code. I'll link my affiliate link. If you want to sign up for their influencer, I say go for it. Give it a try and see if you can get it. I know somebody else that has like 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and they qualified. So I don't know at what limit they make you have, like what's the minimum of subscribers or followers that you need. So I don't know, but I'm like, just go for it and see what happens, because you might have a lot of fun. You'll find a lot of products that you like, because I just love shopping with them. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.